Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Discover application. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have already installed the Discover application on your device, then go ahead and open it up. And once the application is loaded, you will see the login as well as open an account button. Go ahead and click on open an account in order to sign up for a new account, and then click on the kind of account that you want to create. After choosing your account type, you will be taken into the registration page from which you can open up your new account. Just click on open an account from this page once again, and you will end up within the sign up page. You can also sign up from your PC by opening up your web browser and then typing in discover.com and pressing enter. Once you are inside the Discover Bank website, just click on the register account button. You will then be asked to choose your account type. Just click on the register button for your account type, and now you will end up within the registration page. If you already have an account number, type in the last 4 digits and then enter your date of birth. Then enter your social security number or your taxpayer ID number, and then enter your mother's maiden name. Then click on the continue button and you will be allowed to create your login credentials. Just type in your preferred username and your password, and then proceed forward with providing your further details and statements. After setting up all of these, you will need to verify your account through your email address by clicking on the verification link that has been sent to you. Just click on the email link from your inbox and your account will be activated. And now you can use your credentials in the login page to directly access your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Discover mobile application, as well as the website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.